Hello AI network community. In this video, we'll take a look at the process of making AI BAYC using BAYC NFT. If you're curious about BAYC, please click the link above and refer to the information about BAYC. The neural style transform model was used for AI BAYC, so let's find out which model it is. This webpage can be accessed through the link below. By accessing this webpage, you can see examples of style conversion. First, in order to convert the style of the image, we need the original image to convert, and we need a style image that corresponds to the style. After entering these two images, if you go through a style conversion operation, you can obtain the original image of the style conversion as shown on the left. Then, I'll practice it myself now. First, I'll select the BAYC character as the original image, and I'll choose Van Gogh's work, Sunflower, as a style image. You can also control the quality of the results. The higher the quality, the longer it takes. Therefore, I'll choose the medium quality. And when you press Submit, the style change operation begins. While this work is in progress, we'll proceed with a brief explanation of the neural style transfer. Neural style transfer uses CNN, Convolution Neural Network. The CNN is mainly used to process vision data such as images. One of the features of the CNN is that it's possible to obtain the characteristics of the image using the results of these intermediate layers. Therefore, you can use this to get a style from the style image. When learning this model, learning takes place by considering the style obtained from the original image and style image at the same time. When the learning is completed, when the original image is entered into this model, the converted style photo can be obtained as an output. Alright, this has been an explanation of the neural style transfer. Now let's take a look at the photos of the changed style. As you can see here, the characteristics of Gogh's Sunflower is well incorporated into the BAYC character. You can save this visual picture locally through the right mouse click. Alright, so far we've looked at the process of producing AI BAYC. Next week, we're gonna look at the process of manufacturing AI doodles using this Doodles NFT. Thank you for watching the video, and please click on the right button to subscribe. See you next week. Bye bye.